This is the New Zealand Swiss on the daily. I'm involved with a channel and a potential head and shoulders with initial structure high, also a double bottom and a back pattern, all in the same area. And I've just got involved using a higher high, higher close. So first thing I'm going to do is structure level on right down at our lows here. You can see that we are down at the structure level. This is a key area to look for a potential reversal. Now if I go to the 240, what you should be noticing is that we have a double bottom. With that double bottom we went over sold, we've got divergence, so it's valid for a double bottom, but more than that I'm looking at this being a channel. So we draw it out based on the closes of the candles, like so, on the closes of the candles, and you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 down here. Now if I drop down the time frames then to the 60, we actually have an entry in terms of a bat, X to A to B, B to C, CD completion. But I actually waited for a higher high, higher close. I wanted to make sure that this level did actually hold. And we then have our head and shoulders. So we have a swing in the market, we have a move lower. Before we hit structure we see a pullback, we have a move lower. We then put in an initial structure high, which is an indication of a reversal. So not only have we come into trend line structure, but we've come into that big horizontal structure as well. We're seeing a pullback for a double headed head and shoulders, and I'm then going to be looking for a retest of this area up here. So we have our entry, we have major structure, we have an advanced pattern as the entry, we've got potential head and shoulders with an initial structure high. If we bring over the orders, because I'm looking at this being a head and shoulders, I've gone just 7 pips below the low here, and I'm looking for the market to extend right up and playing for a retest of the trend line. Now here's the thing, if the market decides to do this, well, I'm going to hit a little bit early and I will have to adjust my targets. In fact, I will reduce them down just a little bit now. If we go straight up, then I have to extend my targets and we'll get a little bit more out of the market. But this is one of those trades that when we're in channels, we do have high probability trades when this happens. And we do have great reward to risks. So 24 for a minimum of 53. And we're back for the update, and unfortunately I was stopped out of this trade. I did wait for a little bit more confirmation. I waited down here and you can see that we actually double bottomed and we just never got the follow through. I was able to reduce down the risk though since we had this double bottom, so I was out there for 20 pips.